Hi, it's Emma Nørgaard. So today I'm doing another Flashback Friday video. And today I'm using this Wet n Wild Color Icon Trio in the color Silent Treatment. So it's just a nice little neutral palette. This is perfect if you like more cool tones or just a natural look. And yeah, today I did this kind of cat eye look. So yeah, if you've been wanting to try like the thread lift technique with makeup, this is how I do it. Also, if you have the thread lift and it's like wearing off and you can't get it redone because of the virus, then you could do this look, I guess. Yeah, I really love this look. Also, do you guys like my chain? Can you see what it says? Belieber. My dad found this in like a secondhand shop a while ago, and yeah, I'm wearing it today. Anyway, enough talking. I'm going to show you how I do this eye look. So without further ado, let's just get right into the tutorial. Okay, so this is what we're doing today. And these are the eyeshadows we are going to be using. This is from the Wet n Wild Color Icon Trio in Silent Treatment. So I'm going to start out with the color Brow Bone. It's like a satiny peachy color, like a very light peach. And this one I apply all over my eyelid. As you can see, it's like the exact same color as my foundation and powder that I have on the eyelid already. And I'm also placing it on the brow bone. Then I'm going to take this taupe color labeled eyelid. It has some shimmer to it. But even though it has some shimmer, we're going to apply this in the crease. And I'm using a tiny amount, and I'm using a loosely packed blending brush. This is the MAC 224. And I'm using very light pressure, and I really focus on this outer crease and I bring it out. I like swoop it out here in the outer corner, and then I just kind of let it fade in. So I don't take it all the way into this inner crease. I kind of stop right here. So I'm trying as much as possible to have kind of a horizontal line for my crease color. So instead of keeping it very round, I'm keeping it very like a straight line like this. And these eyeshadows are nice eyeshadows, but they just don't show up like super pigmented because of the way the technique I'm using. So I'm not using a base, and I'm using extremely light pressure and only a little bit of product. Then I am going to add a little bit out here in the outer corner, just with the same brush, making sure again that I sweep it out. Okay, so I'm going to use a bit of my face highlight to highlight my brow bone and inner corner. So this is the Diamond Glow Intense Metallic Highlighter by Maybelline. So I just apply that right around the tear duct. And whatever excess I have, I'm just going to lightly use that right underneath the arch of the brow. And just lightly blend it out with the other brush I used for the brow bone. This is all about like very soft eyeshadow, extremely soft. So lastly, we're going to take the darkest color labeled Crease, and this is just a very dark brown, a cool toned dark brown with some gold glitters in it, but the gold glitters are not really visible once you get it on the eye. And this I'm going to take on my MAC 266 brush, a small angle brush, and I'm starting on the outer part of my lash line, and I'm just doing a little soft shadow wing. And I am taking it in a little bit, just about halfway in, and then we're going to wing it out. And as you can see, I'm doing quite a long and dramatic wing, but it's still pretty soft because it is powder and it's not an intense black shadow. So after that, I'm going to use some liquid eyeliner, and the way I'm going to do my eyeliner is I'm going to make it a little bit thick in the outer corner and then very, very thin going inwards, and then I'm going to taper it out in the tear duct, so make it into a little point in the tear duct. Okay, so I have the eyeliner on. So as you can see, it's thicker out here, and then it's a very thin line all across the rest of the lash line, and then it is pointy in the tear duct. So now I'm going to throw on some Essence Volume Booster Lash Primer, and then the Technic Mega Lash Water Resistant Mascara. And to keep with the cat eye theme, I am going to focus these two products on my outer lashes. I do have quite long lashes in like my inner corner, so I'm going to make sure I don't apply too much primer and mascara in there, because I want to of course keep with the theme and the shape. And we're not going to apply anything on the lower lashes or lower lash line.
Good things go slow. I'm no saint. I fall and you pick me up again. Got your habits.
Okay, so while the lash primer is just drying a little bit, I'm going to apply my Waterline eyeliners. I'm going to use this Maybelline Master Drama pencil eyeliner in black. This is going on like the outer corner, maybe like 1/3 of the way in. And then on the rest of my waterline, I'm going to apply this Essence Long Lasting Eyeliner Pencil in the color Say Highlight. So that goes from like that outer corner and all the way into the tear duct. And again, all of this is just going to help with the cat eye effect. And I'm also applying this eyeliner. Oh, it's so ticklish. I'm also applying this black eyeliner on the outer third of my upper waterline. And then, as I said, go in with your nude eyeliner on the rest of the waterline. And now I can go in with my mascara. So after one layer of mascara, you can just apply a little bit more just on the outer lashes. And of course, if you wanted to keep the look more natural, you can stop there with just the mascara. But as you can see, I did add some false lashes. And the lashes I'm using are by e.l.f. These are the Luxe Lash Kit in the style, what's it called? Winged and Bold. And this is what it looks like. So you can see it's a lot fuller or longer on the outside, and then it's very tapered towards the inner corner. And this is the kind of lash you would use for this kind of look. I definitely wouldn't use anything too full. You definitely want to use something that wings out. And of course you can always use half lashes. And I'm going to use my Duo Quick Set Clear Adhesive. Okay, so now I have the lash on, and just one thing I quickly wanted to mention is that when you apply your lash, you want to apply it right next to your lash line on all the way, you know, right regularly all the way, but then in the outer corner you lift it up and apply it a little bit higher, a little bit off your lash line, just to give that lifted effect. And that's why we applied a little bit of a thicker line of eyeliner out here to disguise the fact that there's going to be a little gap between your natural lashes and the false lashes. But yeah, this is just really going to enhance the cat eye shape. Okay, and here we have the finished look. So what do you guys think? What do you guys think of this kind of makeup technique and this little trio? I really like how it turned out. I will say though that it looks like easier than it is. This whole look takes a lot of like little adjustments and little techniques and all of that, so it actually takes quite a long time to do, even though it is so like natural looking. But yeah, I do think it looks good. So let me know what you think down below, and yeah, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. You can also click the bell to get post notifications. And that is it. So thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. So take care and bye bye.